This will be a last look and startup of this Troy Bilt XP lawnmower I got, kind of the monster lawnmower. 21 inch, it's got a 7.75 gross torque engine on it, 21 inch cut, rear wheel drive. I got this on our local Craigslist in June of 2013. I only used it one time last year. It doesn't do any good to let these sit. So I'm just thinning out some of these really nice lawnmowers here. This happens to be one of the nicer ones that I have that I'm not going to be using. This came with all the original paperwork, including the side chute with it. Never been used. I'm going to keep, for now, 2 snapper lawnmowers and 2 Toro lawnmowers as my personal ones. It is a monster. It's a really good shape. Self-propel is a little bit slow for me. Everything in here has never been touched. I'm not going to take it out, but everything in there is like it was when they bought it. Got this as a moving sail. It's got one of these neat things about it I like, a single lever that raises the wheels up and down. And you got your wash port. Very heavy lawnmower monster engine here. Overhead valve. And pretty much got the same kind of Troy Bilt blade on it as the others do. It's got a foam air filter in it versus a regular flat type air filter. So I changed the oil in this and cleaned it up, and that's about all that I've really done to it. Used it a few times. So I haven't started this up since the snowstorm we had in February. So I need to start this up and let it run a bit and see if it typically does what an overhead valve engine does and blows out a puff of oil. So it's got ready start, don't have to choke. We got very high grass because it's been raining. Let's see what this does. And we may have to put some carburetor cleaner in here. That's the bad thing about letting them sit. Well, we're going to have to do a take 2 on this too. And that is the air filter in here, which is the foam air filter. Pull this out and put some carburetor cleaner in here. Still like new. Still got lots of pollen here. It's just going to spray a little carburetor cleaner in here. Hopefully it didn't get on you there. And let's put this back together and see if we can get this started. Alright, here we go, take 2. Putting a little carburetor cleaner in the air filter. Let's see if the Troy Bilt will start. Trying. I'm going to let this run some. Very nice machine, this Troy Bilt XP.